Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today is the 10th of November 2021 and we are going to kit up our adorable Froggy in the rain. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's so stinking cute. I have already made the labels because there was no inventory. So you know the usual routine. I have taken a picture and we use a label maker right here and we made our labels. Let's get you over here. This is better. And we're going to take the top sticky part off. This has 28 colors, actually 26. I'm looking at it upside down. That's the other one. Wait, I'm stuck today. Yes, folks, it is sticky. Okay, let's get the other one off. And we'll get this show on the road. I think it's so adorable. Okay. This is from Victoria's Moon. Our Froggy. Now, so we have it in a Ziploc bag. It is square drills. This is number 26. So I think what we should do is line them up, and that will make our life a lot easier. Number 10. Number 5. Number 12, 14. This is 6, 5, 6. $25, $26. It looks like we're going to have to double up on some of them, which is no problem because we have enough containers to, I see some, static cling. 21. Which is number 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 11, 11. 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15. We're almost done. 22, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26. This is number 2. 17, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 13, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is number 19. 19 goes there. This is 16, 15, 16, 17, 18, and they're all here. 19, 20, 21. This is number 1, 2, 3. Okay. Number 4 and 24, 23, 24. There we go. Now, we don't even need this part. We only need the DMC code and a symbol. That's all we need to label up our containers. 159 is number 1. Let me get a tray because, you know, I have a tendency to dump things. As I said, if we need to, we can double up on these containers because I prefer to have all of my drills in containers. So we just put that on there. See? And that's number 1. Definitely will fit in there. I see static cling, which I am not happy about. But we'll see. Okay, no problem. And of course, I saved the Ziploc bag. And from the mess that I made, the last time I couldn't find the drills, I will definitely put in the information about this drill and the picture of the Froggy. So I will not be confused again. This is number 2. I am not throwing stuff on the floor. Stop yelling at me. I have a schnibble barrel right next to me. What pretty colors. Oh, these are square drills. I see absolutely nothing wrong with the drills, except for the fact that it's going to be a tight fit. Just give it a shake, shake, shake. Get them all in order. I think we can squeeze it in there. There we go. And that's number 2. Simple as that. And we got 1 left over. Each drill is precious. Come here. Come on. There we go. What a pretty color, isn't it? 2. Number 3 is a yellow one. There we go. Come on out. I love Ziploc bag, but sometimes the drills do get stuck in that top part where the Ziploc closes. 165. And that will be a symbol number 1. That's weird. Anyway. Number 3. And number 4 is a big one. As I told you, it's absolutely no problem. Number 4. Isn't that the cutest thing you ever seen? I'm not that crazy about frogs, but that's cute. You know. It's not Kermit. It's just an ordinary frog. No. Come on, just a little more. Come on, just a few more. Oh, come on, we can squeeze that in there. You think we can squeeze it in there? We will squeeze it in there. Where there is a will, there is a way. Number 4 is DMC code 169 and the symbol S or 5. Yeah, well, one or the other. We will figure it out as we go along. No, dear, come over there. You go on the top. There we go. Sometimes I talk to them, you know. They tend to misbehave. Number 5, 310. This is all. That's all the 310 we have. Well, that's amazing. In my opinion. And I do have opinions. Yes, if I take the top off, it would be easier to put the drills in, right? Right. Oh dear. There we go. That was a quick fill up. And that's a 310. And it will be an and symbol or a at. You know, one of those thingamajiggers. Yeah. There we go. And then we'll go with 317, number 6. We have quite a bit of gray. Where does the gray go? Oh, over there. I suppose it's a dark rain cloud. Or is the froggy in water? I don't know because it's the froggy. Let's give a froggy a name. We need to give Froggy a name. Come on, folks. Put it in the comment section. Give Froggy a name. I see a drill trying to escape. And this is 317. DMC code, and it will be the symbol R. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 413. Yep, that will definitely be a double jar. And then we might even have a triple jar from what I see. Okay, well, we're not going to squeeze that in there. We're just going to label this up. Make sure, yep, it's 413. DMC code and a symbol E. Symbol E, and let's get some other jars out. Maybe it will fit in a little one, maybe not. Let's see. Yep, that will do. Come on out. Come on. Okay. So we have 1.5 jar. This is why I like if our containers are in different sizes, because we can mix and match as we need. Excuse me, I will get label. I'm right here. Remember in the other one, big winter one, we got labels. They come in handy. There we go. And this is 413 extra. There. Oh, now this one definitely will be quite a few. 414. 414. This is going to take a couple of bigger jars, which is no problem because there's plenty over here. 414. Nice chubby bag. The other storage system is busy at the moment, so we're using these. Well, actually, I think this will be 1.5 also. Let's see if we can fit into this one. If not, then we will use a bigger one. Perfect. So that's 414, and we will put an extra label on this one. extra label. Where did I throw it? Right here. Folks, let me tell you. Okay, there we go. Oh, I got an email today. The Christmas stuff has been mailed. So, the next project after the one we're doing right now will be Christmas one. 89999 is a V. Yeah. Oh, just a little bit. Where does this go? It goes on a Froggy. I think right there or right there. Where it will go. Oh, this is the background color, you know. Chubby one. I'm surprised we only have a few of the black ones, and that's for the frog's eyes, I presume. Yeah. 436. DMC code 436. Here we go. And there we go. And then 500. Sort of a dark green. Come on out. Okay. DMC code 500. There we go. Cut out the sticker. Put it on a little jar. Okay. 613 is number 11. That's a little bit. Where does it go? I would think right there. Let's tickle the froggy. Adorable. I do say so myself. Okay. DMC code 613. And I told you I put my Ziploc bags. I save them so it will be easier to kit down because the Ziploc bags are already labeled with DMC code and everything else, so it's real easy to put away our leftover drills. I still save them until I feel that I have enough, you know. I will save the leftover drills. Okay, we're halfway done. Would you believe? That was fast. Okay, now this definitely will take more than one jar because I see a nice chubby bag. Yes, folks. 645 DMC code. Get over there. Okay, probably 2 big jars. Okay. Whoops. Nope, 1.5. There we go. Actually, I have seen in YouTube, you can, in those countries where medicine comes in jars, you can use medicine jars to store your drills. I would definitely recommend to have a storage system because it is much more convenient than trying to work out of bags. You can work out of bags. I did it the first time I got diamond painting because there was nothing available in this country. Now it's getting quite popular, diamond painting. and the stores are getting much more. They have improved a lot, you know. I see no rubbish, no, some of the problems we had so far. I only had one. It was last year. I was doing the Christmas ones, and the white, I didn't get enough, and there was a shortage of that particular kind of white. For the Christmas canvases, we have quite a lot of white, and for some reason there was a shortage of it, and I tried to use a different kind of white. Well, the problem with that was that it did show. Even though it was the same DMC code, it still showed that it was a different kind of white. 712. So this is what I mean, that I have learned from now on. I will put the leftover drills, according to which store I ordered them from, because I have noticed there's a slight difference in hue, and there's quite a lot that has to be, put in there because there's some missing and you're waiting for delivery, but you don't want to wait. You want to finish your canvas, and that's me. So I used the leftover drills until what is missing came. But so far, like I told you, I only had one that was missing. And they did send it as soon as they got delivered. So this is what I mean. They are not sending it because they don't want to. It's because they are having problems with it being delivered also. But lately I had absolutely no problem and absolutely no rubbish, which is amazing. So I think that diamond painting has really evolved from when I first started. Well, let's see, I think I started a year ago. The YouTube channel, I think it would be a year old in February. So we have learned a lot since we have been doing diamond painting together. My opinion, we have solved many issues, some big, most of them are small. So we are so professional now that no matter what problem can come up, we can solve it. Oh, you do remember that diamond painting canvas that the customs people decided to open? It was a double-sided adhesive like this one, and they pulled up the adhesive and they caused all sorts of rivers, bubbles, creases. Oh, you name it, folks, we had it. That was terrible. Seriously. This is DMC code 907. And just a little bit green. I think right there, gonna have this green. Such a cute little, oh, so adorable. I mean, this is why we do it, I would not make a diamond painting that I hate. I see no reason to do it. Even the ones I do for review, I pick out. I must love the diamond painting, or I don't do it. I think it's perfectly logical. Of course, there are some that were asked that I do it. Would be nice if I put drills in a jar, not just put it back empty. Yeah, I know, I can see. You're laughing. You're rolling on the floor laughing. Yeah, I see you. Seriously. So quiet today. Amazing. Well, last night we didn't have water. So, what happens? Everybody in the apartment house comes to my house asking me if we have water. I said, excuse me, I don't have a monopoly on water, Okay. One of the main pipes broke, and then we got a trickle of water until they fixed the big one, so you get enough pressure. The water has to go up so many levels, and for that you need pressure, but we did have enough water to drink, so they didn't have to bring out those trucks, with drums of drinking water. But they worked at night, yes, amazing. They worked during the night, and by morning, the next door across the hall neighbor came and said, I have my dishwasher going and I have the washing machine going and there's no water. And I'm like, okay, and you would like me to do what about that problem? I mean, does it say on my door that I'm the water department or anything else for that matter, She goes, well, I don't know what to do. I said, well, I would suggest, you go buy a bottle of water, make yourself a cup of coffee, sit down and wait. Exactly what would you like me to do about your problem? I have a drill that's trying to escape. Okay, the next one is 3348. Chubby little bag. There we go. Three, 3348 DMC code and the symbol Y. I don't know why she swallowed the fly. Perhaps she'll die. Do you know that song? There was an old lady who swallowed the fly. Is that the way it goes? I forgot. I don't know why she swallowed. No, I'm not going to sing. I promise I will stop. I know it's painful listening to me sing. All right, I stopped. Calm down. I promise I won't do it again. Okay? You can unplug your ears. Yeah. The dollar sign. DMC code 3371. We are almost done. Okay. Okay, here comes a chubby one. They really stuffed this one nice and full. Well, let me see. Three, 768 DMC code. 3768. And I don't know. I have a feeling I should just go for the big one. No. Well, that's the third time I was wrong. Okay. Thank God we didn't have any static cling. That was very difficult to deal with because we don't have any dryer sheets in this city. I did order some from Budapest, but I used them all. And I didn't feel like ordering anymore. Okay, one there and one there. Okay, and the next one is 3787. It's a little one. I could have used the smaller jars, but I wanted them all in one place. So we have some blinkies with the Christmas tree decorations, those crystal ones. And that's in another storage box. I put all the leftover ones, and I am planning to crochet some snowballs and then put blinkies on them. I have this idea in my brain. Yes, I do have brainstorm at times. Sometimes it's even logical. 3826 is the MC code, and we're almost done. Well, we did this kitting up without any incident. Well, how was that, folks? Finally, I think we learned how to do this. 3826. And some people have nails, I don't. My telephone case attacked me. You know how you get a paper cut? Well, I got a cut from my telephone case. I hate it anyway, but it's just between you and me, you know. We'll keep it a secret. Okay, 3862 DMC code. And folks, yeah, we're done. Absolutely adorable. Okay, this is our Ziploc bags for when we kit down our finished project. And we're all done. And what I will do is put Froggy on top here so I know what is in there. Come on. No. Well, let's be in a green mood today. And another sticker right there. Okay. I think I'm going to cut this off too. It's bothering me. There. All problems solved. Froggy is all kitted up, ready to be worked on. Thank you very much for spending time with me this morning. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Please hit the like and the subscribe button, and I will see you later on. Bye-bye for now. Bye.